would you like to tell them where we are?
We are at O'Hare International Airport in Chicago. So we're going to LA.
Okay, so I just got breakfast and I got it from Dunkin' because everything here is just sweet. So I got matcha and this is my first time trying the matcha and I think it is just too sweet. Like, I haven't put any extra sugar in it, but I think I should have asked it without sugar. And I got the avocado toast, which doesn't look really good. So I'm gonna try that right now. Okay, it's not bad. It was supposed to be topped with bacon, but because I don't eat it, I asked them to make it without. It's not bad. It's okay. Okay, guys, we have Vincha with us now. It's so hot, and I'm wearing this.
They're going to be the kids.
It's a good weather. But we are officially in LA.
More than likely.
We made it. The trip that made out of the group chat.
Is locked.
This is what it looks like right now. I'm just so happy to see the clear sky and sun. Okay, we just got down off our cab. Vincha, are you happy? Are you crying? And this is what the place looks like. And this is our hotel. The beach is literally right there. The weather is beautiful. So our check-in hasn't started, so we're just walking around. And I'm gonna show you. Oh my god, it looks so good. Okay guys, just to give you all a context, we had come from the east coast to the west coast in the winters. So we were just really happy to see the sun. Vijaya, would you like to tell them where we are?
We are at Victory Beach Cafe and we're just having a blast. The weather is so pleasant.
True bliss, okay? Like we just ordered food. I'll see you when the food comes, but this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. It's like a complete weather switch for us.
And I am literally wearing brilliant clothes. I'm literally wearing boots and leather pants on a beach. How sad is it?
Yeah, even I'm wearing loafers. I've barely got any summery clothes.
We need to change. We need to look
Yeah. So our food is here. Do you wanna try?
This is pesto pasta.
Yeah.
It's good.
It's good?
I mean, I've obviously had pesto before, but this is different. Like, it
Oh,
tastes
is it good different or is it bad
different.
different?
It's good. It's not extremely good, but it's good.
Okay.
Different.
And I got a chicken sandwich.
Street.
We're shopping today. We just went thrifting everywhere, and now we are on our way back. Sunset is happening behind. Just walking towards our hotel, and that is what the sunset looks like. It's so pretty. So we haven't seen a proper sunset in a very long time, so this just feels so good. And I have a lot of restaurants here too. This is the next day, and we are on our way to Universal Studios.
We have completely different aesthetics there.
Yeah.
She's softcore, I am grunge aesthetic.
Okay, so we are on our way. So first we have to take a bus, and now we are in a metro. And this is very different than the metro in New York. So yeah, that is the only update. The view is pretty, it's sunny, we're happy. Okay, so here we are waiting at the shuttle, and this is what it looks like. It's so cute. Which are you excited?
Yes, very excited.
And it's very cold right now, so we both have put on clothes.
It is windy today.
Okay, so we just got down off the shuttle and we are walking towards the theme park. Everything is nice. I'm so excited. Okay, we are officially at Universal Studios. Are you excited?
Damn excited, guys. Let's have fun. I'm so excited. I'm lost.
Oh my god, look at that. We're here. They have all the stores at the entry. We're just going towards all the rides. This is what the Springland section looks like. We're going towards the Jurassic World section. Okay, so we are going to the Mummy ride first. On to our first ride. Okay, we got done with the Mummy ride. What are the reviews?
Bro, it gives you jitters in your stomach and I love that.
My body is still like shaking. Oh my god, this was so fun. Even though my hair went blah 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 through the entire thing, it was really nice. Vijaya, would you like to tell something to my vlog?
We've been standing in this line since the past 1.5 hours and there's still no hope of us.
Finally, we're here. Let's go. We are done with that ride. What are your reviews?
It was amazing. It was. It was a little longer, but then Dirga says that it was fine.
It was pretty long, I feel. Like for compared to other rides, I think this was long.
I was too into it. I wanted more. That's all.
It was really good. Thank God it was. After the ride, we had a pizza, which was okay. And now we are walking towards the Harry Potter land. And oh my God, it is exactly like the vibe that you would think it is. I haven't read the books. I've just watched like a few movies. So for someone who's actually watched it, I think they're gonna have a lot of fun. I'm gonna show you how it looks. Okay, this is how the place looks like for Harry Potter land. It's too good. Okay, so we just did the Hogwarts ride. How was it? Amazing! It was so good! It felt so real! Oh my God! Yeah, I loved it. It was so good. Okay, so we finished one more roller coaster ride at the Hogwarts place, and now I was hungry, so I got garlic bread. So that is the update. I'm gonna try and show you how. And we have Vijaya here who got a shake.
I ordered for a shake, but this is ice cream. I cannot drink it. I have to eat it. Okay,
so we are doing the studio tour now. We just sat in the bus. So basically the studio tour was like just going through all the sets that they have. So I think I would highly recommend going to this if you're interested in set design or if you just enjoy watching behind the scenes of movies. Like this clip is from a set where they showed how they flood the set. This is from how they set fire on a set. So they had like a lot of set design that you could go through. It was really nice. Okay, so we got out of the park. And Vijay, where are we going right now? Yeah, we're going to In-N-Out.
Very American behavior, guys.
Yes, we have heard that In-N-Out is really famous, especially in LA. So we wanted to check it out. It was pretty close to the Universal Studios. So we are heading there.
Hold on.
Yes.
Walking in the middle of the road and just blocking.
I mean, the signal is on. I'm so tired. And it's very cold. I love how I was wearing a top in the morning and I put on the hoodie before coming here. And this was my outfit the entire time. Yeah. It's okay, who cares? We had fun. Okay, so they didn't have anything vegetarian or even with chicken, so how is it?
Different, a little different.
Do you like it?
It's a little softer.
Okay. Okay. So we got a burger without patty because we really wanted to try it out.
We had to because In-N-Out we had to taste how it actually how they make it.
Even though it only has vegetables, but let's see. Okay,
Vegetarian
have it.
version.
And the final verdict on fries is that it did taste like cardboard, and we prefer McDonald's.
It feels like somebody tried to make fries for the first time and they failed miserably. But okay, they tried to do something new, but it does not taste.
But I got the chocolate shake, which is pretty good. And the fries are way too salty. Just
They have
like
black pepper
everything
also.
else in America. Okay, try the burger.
I think I can just taste the cheese.
Okay, is it good though?
I'll give it a 2.5 out of 5.
Okay.
It's okay. Like it's edible and it's fine for $5.
Okay guys, it is the next day. I am all ready with a very cute outfit. Yeah, but we are late. We are late. We were supposed to leave probably an hour or 2 hours ago, but it's okay. But today we're gonna go do all the touristy things. First, we are going to the Walk of Fame of Bollywood. I'll see you there. Okay, guys, we've reached the Walk of Fame, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. It is very windy today.
Hi everybody, we are in Hollywood. Yeah, this is Walk of Fame and we're too excited about it. Let's go.
Okay, so this is how it starts. There's Walk of Fame here. Yeah, it just goes on to the road then. Hello guys.
Hello guys. So we are at, where are we?
Giri, Delhi. We are at
Gira, Delhi. Sorry.
The place that I went to in Chicago, but they did not have the hot chocolate that I wanted. So I'm here again in LA to try the hot chocolate that I wanted. This is the dark, decadent hot chocolate. So let's try it out. It's still very sweet actually.
You can
But
ask
it's
them
good.
to put.
Guys, so we are walking towards the Beverly Hills sign, and this is the park. Do you like it, Vijaya?
I love this area. It's so beautiful. Everything is so coordinated. The sky looks so pretty with the whole road and all. I don't know. It's just so pretty to explain.
Yeah, it is very nice. This is the sign that we came to, but turns out this is the wrong one. This is a small one. There is a bigger one 20 minutes away. So we're gonna go there now. But the park is really good. It's very pretty and the weather is beautiful. Okay guys, we are going towards the right one now.
Yeah. I want to click picture there. I want a picture there.
Okay guys, we are here. It looks so good. Okay, we are done with the Beverly Hills sign, and now we are walking to Rodeo Drive, which is like a street with all the luxury brands. We're just gonna see it. It's very nice. And then we go to Sunset Strip. Okay, so this is what the street looks like. It is like 2 or 3 more blocks of this. So we're just walking, seeing everything. Okay, so we are finally at Sunset Strip, and we're at a rooftop restaurant. It's called Mama's Kitchen, and the view is really beautiful even though it's cold. So you can see the Hollywood sign from here. It's so cool. It's Vijaya. Hello guys.
We look very dead today because we genuinely are.
It is our second last day in LA, and we are going to Disneyland. Yes.
We should have more energy in ourselves, but
It's okay.
it's
It's gonna take us 3 hours to reach there.
that's fine.
But it will be fun.
It will be worth it.
So because we got up really early today because we wanted to leave early, we saw the sunrise from
It was so beautiful. Just waking up to such skies is a dream.
yeah.
So the clear skies.
Yeah.
It's cute.
So we went to Disneyland, but we didn't have tickets, and like we were gonna book it there, but it didn't happen. I tried to book it online before, but the site just wasn't working, so we didn't get the entry, and they were sold out. So we came out, and we were really hungry. So we are here. We got lunch. There is a place called White Elephant, and we got Asian food, and I just tried it. It's so good. It's really yummy. So yeah, I'm gonna have that. And I also got masala soda from an Indian place, Adya. It did look really good. I wish I had seen it before, then I would have got Indian food. But it's okay. We came to Santa Monica Pier, and it's like an hour and a half more for the sunset. So we're just walking around looking at everything. They have like a play zone here, and then we got like the photo booth pictures from there. And now we're just looking. They have a fun fair sort of a thing here. Okay, this is what it looks like, and that is the beach. Okay, so this deck is over the water. This looks so good. So
water is so clean. The water is so clean.
Yeah, I know, right? Okay, we're sitting here waiting for the sunset to happen.
Too cold.
It is very cold. And I think we are the only ones feeling cold. Like everyone else is just casually walking, like half clothes. Look at us.
I mean, it is windy, that's all.
Yeah, the wind is the problem. It's always the problem. This is what the sunset looks like. Are you happy?
Yes.
Are you content?
I wish it was a little less cold here.
Okay, we are at a restaurant for dinner. It's called You Go. You wanna try? How is it? It's good? Thumbs up. Okay. Hello guys, it's the next day and we're heading to the beach finally.
Really see. After 5 days of LA, we finally got to the beach.
Yeah. It's our last day.
Our dead fits.
Yeah. Vidya, what is happening?
It is so cold, my legs hurt. And it's good because it's sun. But I am floating.
Do you think this is converting you into a beach person?
I think it is, but what the? It's too cold. It's too cold to give any reactions right now, guys.
It is like 16 degrees Celsius, which is very cold. But it is sunny, so it's still better. This is the first time I'm at the beach and it's cold. Like, why are you yelling? We look terrible, actually.
Yeah, actually. It's so cold. I cannot. It's so fucking cold. It's too cold. So, guys.
Okay, so we're done with our beach adventure and now we're heading for lunch. So we're going to Island Burgers, which is very famous.
We're gonna have burgers there.
Yeah,
obviously.
we're
And
at
we have
the
others.
bus stop. And we got new glasses.
Yes, I got a heart-shaped one and she got this one, which looks really good.
Okay, we are at Island Burgers and we got shakes.
I like it.
It's good.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So Devika's gonna try her chocolate shake.
Yeah.
Let's see how it is.
Good. Okay, so this is what my food looks like. I got a chicken burger and I got fries with it. And Vidya's food is still not here. What did you order?
I ordered cheese nachos.
The nachos are here. Oh my god, they are massive.
It looks, yeah, they are massive. It looks so delicious.
Yeah.
Let's see how it is.
Is it good? No. I tried the chicken burger, even that is good, but it's bland, so I got high spicy sauce with it. Okay, Vidya, what are we doing right now?
I'm gonna eat my cheesecake and sleep. Unlike
When
you,
will you
back.
pack? When will you pack?
I'll pack at 2 in the night when everybody's sleeping.
Wow. I'm done packing this suitcase. Now I need to pack this entire beautiful place. And I need to dry the wet clothes that I was wearing in the morning. I'm gonna do that with a hairdryer.